grocery.
Today we are going to make wet fry pork, one of my favorite, and we will have it with mboga kienyeji. This is terere and managu, already boiled, well chopped pork, onions there, make sure you have enough onions, and chopped tomatoes, salt to season, and just 2 Royco cubes, and fresh ginger and garlic. Pork goes very well with fresh ginger and garlic. Let's do this. I start by putting my well-chopped pork in a sufuria without anything, not even salt, not even any cooking oil. I just need it to cook on its own. I just take a cover and I just cover it just for a few minutes, then I'll be back to stir it. In another sufuria, I have already put onion and cooking oil. This is where I'm going to make my mboga kienyeji. I just check if my onions are ready, because I like putting my mboga kienyeji when the onions are just slightly golden brown. But now I can see I have a few more seconds before I do that. So I decided to cover it just for a few seconds, then I'll be back. Now my onions are golden brown, just the way I like them. Then I put my boiled mboga kienyeji. Once they are boiled, they don't take long. I just put them in and I give them a very good stir. I make sure the onion and the oil and the mboga kienyeji, they are well mixed. These mboga kienyeji are very nice and healthy. Oh my goodness, these ones I take like even 4 or 5 times in a week. I like them very, very much. Take care you do not overcook this mboga kienyeji, because if you overcook, what will you be eating? They just need to be cooked just a little bit, since they've even already boiled. You see, I like the color. You see? Nice. A very nice green. I cover. After this, in the next 5 minutes, it will be done. I go back to my pork. I stir. You see, it has already started turning golden brown. That's the way I want it. You don't even need any oil. Pork has enough. You see? And I need it to be more brown than that. My mboga kienyeji is ready. You see, I told you it will only take around 5 minutes just to fix these mbogas. At this point, I go in with my fresh garlic and ginger. Wow, the aroma here is so heavenly. I just make sure that I'm going to mix them very well. I mix them. You see the way it is golden brown, even at the bottom of the sufuria. That should not worry you, because the moment you put tomatoes, it's going to melt, and all that is sweetness. Hiyo yote ndio utamu ya pork. You see? Wow, look. It looks so nice, huh? And then I just cover it. I go back to my pork. Look at it. golden brown. It's even now more golden brown than before, right? Look, wow, the aroma is so nice. Oh my goodness, we are salivating here. You see? I want to make sure that none of it is sticking down there at the bottom of the sufuria. See how oily pork is. That's why you don't need any oil. My ring onions, I go in with my ring onions. I like pork having a lot of onions. It even becomes more tastier. And then I make sure I've just cut them, not the small ones, because I need them to be a bit crunchy even when it is cooked. Look at it. Ooh, you can even have it just the way it is. Huh? I go in, they are stirring. Wow, look. So at times you can decide to have it just like this, the way it is. And then maybe you can make a salad on the side or kachumbari on the side. At this point I put my Royco cube because I also want it to be cooked in that oil and onion alone. I just put it. Remember, I was to put 2. I go in with the first one, and then I take the second one and I go in with it. And then I mix it well because I need this Royco cube to be everywhere. I mean, I need to spread it, I need it to be cooked, I need my onions and pork I need everything to mix very well. Wow, look at it. Hey, you can even have it like this, as I told you. Very nice. Wow. Then I go in with my well chopped tomatoes. Look, my onions are not overcooked, and that's the way I like them. I go in with tomatoes. I put every bit of it, and I make sure that I'm going to mix everything very well. Look at it. Imagine you can even have it like this. It's very tasty. You see what was sticking at the bottom of the sufuria? You see? I told you the moment you put tomatoes, it is going to melt, and that is the sweetness of pork. Look, very sweet. And then I'm going to season with salt. Look at it. It looks nice. And notice we did not even put so many spices. It was just the Royco cubes and ginger and garlic. Just that. If you were to talk about spices, look, salivating. Go back to the pork. I mix it very well. Look at my onions. They are not overcooked and they are crunchy so nicely. Remember what was sticking at the bottom of the sufuria? Just see. It's no longer there. See. You see, it's no longer there. And that is the sweetness. You see, even the broth is just golden brown. It's just brown because of that, what was sticking at the bottom, plus the tomatoes and just the pork. Very sweet. A few more minutes. Meanwhile, my ugali water is ready. Get my maize from my mom. Thanks, mom. And then I just go to Kisiagi, and we have our unga ready. Very nice, healthy unga. Let's make ugali. Back to our pork, and we are almost done. Look at it. Look at it. You see, I did not want dry pork. I wanted wet fry, and it came out just as I wanted. The onions still crunchy, not overcooked. Our pork is finally ready, and now I'm serving it in these bowls. The color looks so nice. It's so rich in color. Wow, and the fact that I've ever made like this, I know how it tastes. Very nice. Look at it. Very nice. Tell me, what do you like your pork with? I like mine with ugali or fries. What do you like yours with? Is it with rice, ugali, chapati? Or tell us, we can share these ideas. Wow, the moment of truth is here. Look at it. Wow. I just gifted my body a very nice meal. You should try it.